Welcome back to our series on, what would your blender ask? Coaching wisdom from your kitchen, where we're using common kitchen items as metaphors for questions we should be asking ourselves about work and life. And what I have in front of me here are hot plates, trivets. And the role of these is to protect a surface from something hot. And so the question that I have for you is, what are you protecting yourself from? And there's no judgment in that question, right? You could be protecting yourself from something that feels important. It's an actual threat. You could also be protecting yourself from something that feels like a perceived threat. And so I want you to think about, what are you protecting yourself from? Is it valid, right? Should you be protecting yourself from it? And where might you be overprotecting yourself or maybe unprotecting yourself? Asking yourself some of those questions will help you figure out what you can release and what you need to keep being vigilant about. And I hope it gives you some new insights. Stay tuned for more in our series. And if you haven't seen the ones that come before, go ahead and check out the rest of our playlist.